Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to stream Amazon Prime on Zoom. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So open your browser and open your Amazon Prime account and play a movie, and then click on this three dot icon and go to settings and search here hardware, and here you will get this hardware acceleration option. So if this enable, you will need to disable this option, and then make sure to open this Prime Video tab and click on minimize and open your Zoom and click on share screen. And all you have to need, just select the tab where you are watching Amazon Prime and make sure to check this option, share sound, and click on share. And that's how we can stream Amazon Prime on Zoom. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.